Dear students, what did we learn in last class now? What did we learn in last class? Very good. Last class we learned about straight line. Okay, dear students, there are two different types of lines in geometry. Okay, yeah. First one straight, next one curve line. Okay, straight line and curve line. Dear students, straight lines may be drawn in different direction. Okay, first one horizontal. Okay, next one vertical, third one slanting line. Okay, straight lines may be drawn in three different direction. Okay, yeah. Horizontal line, next to this vertical line, third one slanting line. Okay, dear students, today we are going to learn about curve line. Okay, so today we are going to learn about curve line. Okay, dear children, see the slide. So unit 4, curve and straight lines. Okay, unit 4, curve and straight lines. Dear students, see the next slide. So today day 11. Okay, today day 11. Students, see the next slide. Today learning outcomes, identify and draw different types of lines and use them to make shapes. Identify and draw different types of lines and use them to make shapes. Okay, students, see the next one. Worksheet number 12. Okay, dear students, have you finished your homework? Have you finished your homework, ma'am? Okay, dear, check your answers. Okay, so last class homework, worksheet number 12. Okay, dear students, now check your answers. Look at the board now. Students, listen. Look at the board now. So worksheet number 12, first sum. Okay, match the line with the line name. Match the line with the line name. Dear students, two columns are given. Okay, first column line, next column line name. Okay, first one line mark, next line name. Okay, dear students, listen. First A1, which type of line mark? This one. Which type? So this line name, slant, horizontal or vertical? Very good. So this line, vertical line. Okay, so this line is called vertical line. Okay, so A answer, vertical line. Okay, dear. Next, this line what mark? This line, slant line or horizontal line? Children, slant line or horizontal line mark? Very good. So this line, slant line. Okay, so B answer, slant line. Okay, students, next see, listen here. So this line, horizontal line. Okay, dear. So first one vertical line, second slant line, third horizontal line. Okay, children, once again, first line vertical line. Okay, so this line name vertical line. Next one slant line. Next third horizontal line. Okay, students. Next one. Dear students, listen now. Next second question. Color the shapes that have only horizontal and slant lines. Okay, color the shapes that have only horizontal and slant lines. Okay, dear students, how many shapes are given now? How many shapes? Very good. So there are 4 shapes are given. Okay, what is the first shape, ma'am? first shape square. Okay, next shape pentagon. Okay, next one rectangle, fourth one triangle. Okay dear, so square, pentagon, rectangle and triangle. Dear students, this question color the shapes that have only horizontal and slant lines. Okay, only horizontal and slant lines. Okay dear, so first one listen ma. Which type of lines ma? Which type of lines in the shape? So this horizontal. Okay, yeah. This one vertical line. Okay dear, so two lines horizontal and two lines vertical. Okay, next children, so two lines horizontal. Okay, next two lines vertical. Okay, so two horizontal line and two vertical line. See the next shape ma. So next shape pentagon. Okay, dear students listen. So first this horizontal line. Okay, so this horizontal line. So horizontal line 1. Okay, horizontal line 1. Okay dear, so 1 horizontal line. Next this one vertical. Okay, so this vertical line. Okay dear, so this horizontal line ma. So 1 horizontal line. Next 1, 2. So 2 vertical line. Okay, next this line name is slanting line. Okay, so this line name is slanting line ma. So 1, 2. So 2 slanting line. Okay, is it clear? So horizontal line 1 and vertical line 2 and slanting line also 2. Okay, yeah. Next shape rectangle. Children listen. So this rectangle shape have two horizontal line. Okay, so this line name is horizontal ma. So two horizontal line. Next two vertical line. Okay, so two horizontal line, two vertical line. Okay, next this shape triangle. Okay, so triangle has one horizontal and two slanting line. Okay, horizontal line 1, slanting line 2. Okay, dear students, in this question listen. So color the shapes that have only horizontal and slant lines. Okay, only horizontal and slant lines. Okay, children listen. So this one only horizontal and vertical. Okay, so with this now. Okay, this question horizontal and slant line. Okay, so for this one horizontal 1 line and slanting 2. Okay, so for this correct. So color the shapes. Okay students, so pentagon has horizontal and slant lines. Okay, so 1 horizontal line and 2 slant line. Okay, so color the shape pentagon shape. Okay dear, next rectangle shape. So rectangle shape 2 horizontal line and 2 vertical line. Okay, so this now. Okay, look at the third shape. So this horizontal and slant line. Okay, so this question only horizontal and slant line. Okay, so triangle color. Okay children, so horizontal and slant line shapes pentagon and triangle. Okay, pentagon and triangle. Color it ma. Students, next. Dear students, next third question is then color the shapes that have only horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, color the shapes that have only horizontal and vertical lines. Dear students, listen. So first one, what is the shape ma? Hexagon. Okay, so this shape hexagon. Next one square, pentagon, triangle vertical line. Okay, yeah. So 1, 2. So 2 vertical line and this horizontal line. Okay, yeah. So 2 horizontal line. Okay, dear. So vertical line 2, horizontal line 2. Next, this question horizontal line 1. Okay, yeah. 1 horizontal line and 2 vertical line and 2 slanting line. Okay, next this shape horizontal line 1. Okay, yeah. Next this line is called slanting line. So 1, 2. So 2 slanting line. Okay, next shape rectangle. So rectangle does 1, 2. So 2 horizontal line and 2 vertical line. Okay, dear. So this question horizontal and vertical line. Okay, I color the shapes that have only horizontal and vertical line. Okay, dear students. So horizontal and vertical line. First this question horizontal and slanting line. Okay, yeah. Second shape square was horizontal, vertical and horizontal line. Okay, yeah. Horizontal, horizontal, vertical line and 2 horizontal line. So square is correct. Okay, yeah. So this square has 2 horizontal line and 2 vertical line. Okay, so color the shape. Next this question, this one only horizontal and vertical. Okay, yeah. Only horizontal and vertical. Okay, so this one horizontal line 1. Okay, vertical line 2 and slanting line 2. Children, but this question only that have only horizontal and vertical. Okay, yeah. So square and rectangle have horizontal and vertical line. Okay, dear. Okay, students. So square and rectangle have only horizontal and vertical line. Okay, so color the shape square and rectangle. Okay, dear. See the slide now. Children, are these lines, ma'am? Are these lines? Okay. Students, yes. These are lines too. Okay, they are lines with bend. Okay, they are lines with bends. So this type of lines are known as curved line. Okay, this type of lines are known as curved line. Okay, children, these are lines too. They are lines with bends. Okay, yeah? So this type of lines are known as curved line. Okay, this type of lines are known as curved lines. Okay, children, listen. Look at the shape mark. Curved lines are, children, listen. So curved lines are used to in different shapes like. Okay, curved lines are used to in different shapes like. Children, what is the first shape, ma'am? What is the first shape? Very good. Circle. Okay, circle, curved line. Next, see the cylinder shape, ma'am. So cylinder shape have curved line. Okay, next oval shape. Next one cone. Okay, so circle, cylinder, oval and cone shape have curved lines. Okay, dear students, listen. Students, listen. What is the shape, ma? What is the shape? Cone. Okay, yeah. Students, listen here. So this line is curved line. Okay, so this line is curved line. Okay, dear. Next one. Children, listen. What is the shape, ma? What is the shape? Very good. Circle shape. Okay, dear students. So this line also curved line. Okay, curved line has bend. Okay, yeah. So this curve line. Okay, students, this cone shape, so this curve line. Okay, so this line is curve line. Next, this shape circle. Okay, so circle has curve line. Okay, dear students, see the next shape, ma. What is the shape, ma? What is the shape? Very good, cylinder. Okay, so this shape cylinder. Dear students, so this curve line. Okay, see the cylinder, ma? Children, so this line curve line. Okay, so this line curve line. Next, this line curve line. Okay, so cylinder shape has curve line. Okay, so this curve line. Next, this one also curve line. Okay, children, next we see the some letters. Okay, students, listen here. What is this letter, ma? G. Okay, so this line curve line. Okay, so this line curve line. Okay, dear, is it clear, ma? Okay, children, so this line curve line. Okay, next, children, listen here. Next, we take the letter D. Okay, dear students, this line is straight line. Okay, so straight line. This type vertical line. Okay, but this curve line. Okay, so this curve line. Is it clear, children? This line vertical line, ma. So vertical line, straight line. Okay, this one curve line. Okay, dear, did you understand? Okay, children, next one. Children, listen here. What is this? Very good. Number 8. Okay, dear students, listen. So this line curve. Okay, next this one curve. Okay, dear. So this curve line. Is it clear, ma? Okay, dear. So this curve line. Next this one also curve line. Okay, so let number 8 has curve line. Okay, dear students, see the next shape, ma. Children, what is this shape? Very good, semicircle. Okay, dear students, this line is straight line. Okay, so straight line, this type horizontal line. Okay, but this curve line. Okay, but this one curve line. Okay, dear, so this straight line, this curve line. Okay, straight line has no bend. Okay, straight line has no bend. Okay, but curve line has bend continuously. Okay, so this straight line, this curve line. Okay, dear, is it clear, ma? Okay, students, see this line. So circle, cylinder, oval and cone shape, curve line. Okay, so curve lines are used to in different shapes. Okay, students, listen. See the next slide. We can find curve lines in different alphabets as well. Okay, children, what is the first letter, ma? Very good, C. Okay, next letter B. Okay, next one, ma, O. Okay, next letter P. Okay, next one, ma, yes. Okay, students, so the letters C, B, O, P, S have curve lines. Okay, dear students, look at the board now. Students, listen. Look at the letter 1. So this letter C. Okay, so this curve line. Okay, so this is called the curve line. Okay, dear. Next, B. Okay, students, this line straight line. Okay, so this line straight line ma. So this vertical line. Okay, so this line is called the vertical line. Okay, but this curve line. Okay, so this curve line. Is it clear, children? So this vertical line, but this line curve line. Okay, next we see the letter O. Dear students, so this curve line. Okay, so this line curve line. Okay, next what is this letter ma? Very good, P. Okay, dear students, so this vertical line. Okay, so this vertical line ma, but this curve line. Okay, students, this vertical line. Okay, but this one curve line. Okay, next letter S. Dear students, so S is curve line. Okay, S is curve line. Okay, dear, is it clear, children? Okay, see the slide ma. Dear students, take your worksheet ma. Worksheet number 30 and page number 87. Take fast. Students, now I am giving 10 seconds. Okay, take fast. Time start now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, dear. So worksheet number 30 and page number 87. Okay, students, now look at the code. First question now. Circle the curve lines. Okay, circle the curve lines. Dear students, first this line is then this curve or straight line ma. This curve or straight line. Very good. So this straight line. Okay. Students, listen. So first one straight line. Okay, straight line. This line type vertical line. Okay, next this line is curve line. Okay, dear students, this question circle the curve line. Okay, circle the curve line. So this line is curve line. So circle it. Next this line is called the slanting line. Okay, so this line slanting line ma. Next this line curve line. Okay, so circle it. Okay, dear. Next this one also curve line. Okay, so circle it. Children, listen here. So this line what ma? Curve or straight? Curve line. Okay, so this line curve line. Okay, next this one ma? Slanting line. Okay, so this line slanting line. Okay, next this line. Very good. Curve line. Okay, so this line curve line. So circle it. Okay, dear. Next this line is horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line. Children, this line vertical line. This line slanting line. Okay, this line also slanting line. Next this one horizontal line. Okay, otherwise curve line. Okay, circle it. Okay, students, next second sum. Students, listen. Second question ma. Color the shape that has curved lines. Color the shape that has curved lines. Children, A question listen ma. What is the shape ma? Square. Okay. Next shape pentagon. Next one circle. Then triangle. Okay. So square, pentagon, circle and triangle. So there are 4 shapes given. Okay, now color the shape that is curved line. Okay, now we will color the shape that is curved line. Okay, dear students, listen. So this fully straight line. Okay, as a square shape is straight line. Next, pentagon shape also fully straight lines. Okay, next shape circle. So circle is curved line. Okay, circle is curved line. So coloring. Okay, so circle shape is curved line. Okay, dear. So color. Next one, triangle. Dear students, triangle is straight line fully. Okay, so this line is called the horizontal line. This line is slanting line. Okay, so 2 slanting line and 1 horizontal line. Okay, so this fully straight line. Okay, so the correct shape circle. Okay, circle is curved lines. So color. Okay, dear. Next one, children, listen here. So this cylinder. Okay, next one, rectangle shape. Next one, cuboid. Okay, next one, cone. Okay, children. So cylinder, rectangle, cuboid and cone. Dear students, look at the shape now. So but this shape is curved line. Okay, so this line is called the curved line. Okay, so color it. Okay, dear. Next, rectangle fully straight line. Okay, so this line is vertical line, this line is horizontal line. So fully straight line. Next, cuboid. So cuboid is straight line. Okay, cuboid is straight line. Next, cone. Children, listen. So cone is this curved line. Okay, so this line is called the curved line. So color the shape. Okay, so color. Okay, cone shape has curved line. So color the shape now. Next one, children. See question, listen. So see question, first shape triangle. Next sphere. Okay, next one cube. Next one square shape. Okay, dear students. So triangle is fully straight line. Next this shape sphere. So sphere shape is curved line. Okay, so this curved line. Okay, so color the sphere shape. Okay, dear. Next cube. So cube is straight line. Next one square. So square is straight line. Okay, dear students, did you understand? Okay, children, see the slide now. And see the answer. Worksheet number 30. See the answer now. Children, second question, first one circle shape. Okay, a circle is curved line. B, cylinder and cone shape has curved line. Okay, next is C, sphere shape has curved line. Okay, did you understand, ma? Okay, children. Dear students, what did we learning today, ma? What did we learning today? Very good. Today we learned about curved line. Okay, dear students, do you know types of lines? How many types of lines, ma? Very good. 2 different kinds of lines. Okay, straight line and curved line. Dear students, straight lines may be drawn in different direction. Okay, so first one horizontal, next one vertical, third one slanting line. Okay, so horizontal line, this vertical line, this slanting line. Okay, so for example, children listen here. So this letter E. Okay, so letter E is 1 vertical line and 3 horizontal line. Okay, dear students, So straight line has no bend, but curve line is continuously bent. Okay. So this letter E has one vertical line and three horizontal line. Okay. Students, listen. Next we see the letter N. Okay. So N has two vertical line and one slanting line. Okay. So two vertical line and one slanting line. Dear students, see the next one now. See the next letter. So this letter D. So D has this line is straight line. Okay. But this line curve line. So letter D has one straight line and one curve line. So this line vertical. Okay. So this curve line. Okay. Children, is it clear? Okay children, see you next class now. Okay dear, thank you children.